And we're back. To round off our Rani Gulshan-packed episode, we'll take a trip to Times Square in New York City with them as they ring the NASDAQ opening bell with the FIA Executive Committee. Let's take a look.
Federation of Indian Associations, the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, is one of the largest umbrella organizations in the Indian community. It represents and provides grassroots support to a 500,000 member strong, vibrant Asian Indian community. Established in the year 1970, the FIA has blossomed into an esteemed organization that has become a formidable force and platform for the community. The FIA represents various issues that concern the growing Asian Indian community at the local, state, and national levels. Over the years, it has taken perceptions and information about India to mainstream community and furthered the interests of Indians residing in the United States. It is in that spirit that since 1981, FIA holds the largest India Day parade. This year's parade saw an attendance of over 100,000 people in Madison Avenue. Ms. Rani Mukherjee as Grand Marshal, as well as attendance by the President of Guyana and leading U.S. political dignitaries. NASDAQ is pleased to welcome all of you here today with us, and now please join me in welcoming Rani Mukherjee, Grand Marshal of the FIA.
Welcome everyone to the NASDAQ's second year in a row opening bell for my FIA. FIA has been a 41-year-old strong, vibrant association for the Indian community. Yesterday's parade showed how strong FIA is, with Rani Mukherjee being a Grand Marshal. Yesterday, over 100,000 people showed up for the parade. It's been great going on for the FIA. Last year, NASDAQ opening bell went out, and hopefully this year also it will go out. Thank you, NASDAQ, for giving us this support.
The FIA is very grateful to NASDAQ for giving us this unique opportunity second year in a row. So please give them a big round of applause. We are part of the community in the United States, so every time we come and ring the bell, definitely market has to go up, and it is going to go up. And we are growing, and we are able to organize the parade of such magnitude with the help of all our sponsors throughout the area. That's why we are successful. So let us give the big round of applause, even they are not here.
It's such an honor to be here this morning at the crossroads of the world at Times Square in New York. It's my first time at NASDAQ, and I'm sure that I will cherish this moment in my life forever. Being the Grand Marshal at the India Day Parade has been a very emotional experience for me. The excitement with which everyone participated made me feel as if I was in India. So let's get ready to ring the opening bell. Thank you and Jai Hind!
Tell me, how does it feel celebrating India's independence in New York?
It feels absolutely wonderful because all the way so many miles away from home, and New York at that point of time at the parade day felt as if I was in India, because everyone, all the Indian Americans, all the Indians there, the way they were celebrating Indian independence, it was one of the most wonderful things that I've seen ever. And to just have a parade there with all the Indians there and so excited, singing Vande Mataram, saying Jai Hind, saying Bharat Mata Ki Jai, it just was a great, great feeling.
How was it ringing the opening bell at the NASDAQ?
Oh, it was wonderful. Actually, it's my first time here, so I'm so excited. And just to be over here at Times Square and having your picture and your signature coming on the NASDAQ building. I think it's a new feeling for me. So yeah, it feels really great. But yeah, I'm really happy and excited to be here today. And most of all, I think the India Day Parade was just amazing. It was very, very emotional. Just seeing the tricolor flag, just seeing the Indian flag there with everybody holding it up there and giving it so much of respect and giving it so much of love. It was just an amazing feeling being there in the parade. And I was just thinking, why didn't I do it earlier? Because they've been inviting me over for so many years, and I feel better late than never. And it's a great feeling that I'm here today, and I feel happy to meet all my fans abroad. It's a great way when I come all the way here just to meet my fans, and at least I can give them back little as much as they give me, because they give me so much love, and they have given me so much love over the years for my work. So in this way, I just feel that I have an opportunity to meet them and to just tell them how much I love them too, and just to thank them for being there with me all the time.
What would be that one moment that you would talk about the most when you go back to India?
I think my entire trip. I can't really pinpoint which will be tops, but obviously the parade was amazing thing to be part of, and just to see every individual there with so much of happiness and so much of excitement. It was like they were like, like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, नारा लगाते हैं, तो उस तरह से जिस तरह से नारा लगा रहे थे, और जो भंगड़ा का म्यूजिक चालू था और जो वंदे मातरम चालू था, तो it was just amazing. So I think, yeah, I'm going to take back that, and of course this NASDAQ appearance of mine. Yes, all these things I'm going to cherish for all my life.
And Rani, your NRI fans who could not see you at the parade, what do you want to say to them?
Just to tell them thank you, and I love you. And I love all my fans, and I love you all for loving me and for supporting me all these years for my movies, and really loving me with all my ups and downs. It doesn't matter to my fans if my films fail or they get successful, but they just love me, and I love that about my fans. So I want to say thank you to all of you all in New York, all of you all in the United States of America and Canada, the ones who are watching. Love you all.
It's always a great pleasure to see our fellow Indians participate in traditions like the ones you saw in today's segment of Your Voice. And thank you so much for joining us for such an exciting episode. This show wouldn't be possible without you, so keep sending us your valuable feedback at yourvoice@globosatend.com and visit us on the web at gen-i.us.com. Until next time, I'm your host, Juhi Desai. Sahara Pranam.